what advice can you share with other owners or maybe potential investors today that maybe you wish you knew when you were first getting into the business? And again, you shared a lot of that with me already today.
Um, I definitely think, yeah, don't be afraid to get into the online forums. Go to an event. I mean, there's different levels of events. Obviously, excellence is probably the most expensive, but it also covers a lot of stuff once you're there. So don't worry about it. But I think it's worth making those early investments in yourself to discover the business more. Um, I, I know we're trying to figure out how to start this on the side. A lot of people keep their other jobs for a little while, but make those early investments to go to events and get in front of people that are
Mhm.
willing to meet you. We're seeing more and more consultants. Um, uh, I think those could be a great resource early on to at least keep steering you in the right direction and making sure you're not missing something um, in a lease or in a contract that could cost you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars later. We don't want to spend the pennies up front, but sometimes that ends up costing us the real dollars. So take advantage of all the resources available now, even if that it means paying for them. Um, I think there's some really great people in the industry now that are willing to share all of their experience, um,
Mhm.
and so use it.